Ever wondered what taking 10,000 steps a day does to your body? Is it just a fitness fad, or does it truly make a difference? Let's take a step into the science behind this popular goal. The idea of walking 10,000 steps daily originated in Japan during the 1960s as part of a marketing campaign. But does this number hold any real health benefits? First off, walking is a fantastic cardiovascular exercise. Regularly hitting that 1,000 step mark can strengthen your heart, improve circulation, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Trying to shed some pounds? Walking burns calories, and reaching 10,000 steps can help with weight management. It's a simple way to increase your daily activity without intense workouts. Struggling with sleep? Regular physical activity, like walking, can enhance sleep quality, helping you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper rest. Feeling stressed? Walking releases endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters, reducing stress and anxiety levels. Plus, walking can be a social activity. Invite a friend or join a walking group to make it enjoyable and hold yourself accountable. Remember, it's not just about the number. Consistency is key. Start at your own pace and gradually increase your steps. Even if 10,000 seems daunting, any increase in activity can lead to health benefits. Set realistic goals, track your progress, and most importantly, listen to your body. The journey to better health begins with a single step. Ready to take the first step towards a healthier you? Start today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Let's walk this journey together.